Hi guys, welcome back with me, Miss Tita. Okay, we are going to the next material about personal letter. Okay, well, what is personal letter? Do you see the picture? Yes, this is about letter or in Indonesia surat. Personal mean pribadi. Jadi hari ini kita belajar tentang surat pribadi. Oke, learning goal-nya itu bisa dibaca ya. Lanjut. This is the example of personal letter about Dear Mira. It has been a long time. I haven't seen you. I really wait for my long holiday to meet you soon. I hope your study runs well. I am going to have a mid-semester exam next week. Have to prepare it well. How about that exam in your school? Have you passed it? Read me soon. You, Kirana. Yes, what kind of the tag is it? Jenis tag apa ini? Kita tadi belajar tentang apa? Personal letter. Have you ever got such a letter? Pernah nggak dapat surat seperti ini? What is about? Tentang apa? Oke, kita lihat. What is the relationship between the sender and the receiver of the letter? Relationship itu hubungannya antara siapa yang ngirim? Kirana. Untuk siapa? Maria. Relationship-nya apa? Berdasarkan isi surat itu, pasti relationship-nya itu antara teman dekat. Perhaps you have a chance to write a letter. Whom you send a letter. Mungkin kamu punya kesempatan untuk menulis surat. Untuk siapa kamu menulis surat? What is about? Tentang apa? Perhatikan contoh surat 1. Dear Sir or Madam, here's some tip on cultural literacy in Iran. As I know, you want to come on a business trip here. I think these tips are useful for you. About the table manner, it is offensive to speak when your mouth is full. You should eat with a spoon and fork. You should eat your food with your hands. It's a trouble here to order pork because most of people are Muslim and they don't eat it. It is impolite to call someone by his or her first name. In an informal place, you should call them with their last name. Punctuality is very important in meeting and it's impolite to arrive late. I hope this item help you on your business trip to Iran. Have you good place and don't forget to visit our historical place. Yours, Taraneh Ganoni. The next example is Magelang between Aurora and Molly. You can read it and then we can find the differences to letter for letter 1 and letter 2. We can see the differences. Yes, the letter 1, the language is formal. Jadi bahasanya itu formal. Letter 2 in informal, tidak formal karena dengan teman. And 2, it doesn't have address, tidak ada alamat. Letter 2, it has address. The relationship between the sender and the receiver is not close. Kayaknya seperti bahasanya tidak dekat. Kemudian karena antara teman, the relationship between the sender and the receiver is close, dekat. Oke, ini adalah vocab yang harus diterima. Send, receive, give, visit, tell. Kalian harus paham. Send itu mengirim, receive itu menerima, give memberi, visit mengunjungi, tell menceritakan. Oke, struktur tag-nya seperti ini bisa dilihat ya. Ada date, ada sender, salutation, introductory, greeting, ada bodinya, ada commentary close, and signature and closing paragraph. Nanti kalau kalian bikin cerita, itu bisa menceritakan dalam bentuk surat kepada temannya yang disebut personal letter. Harus terdiri dari beberapa struktur biar lengkap dan jelas. Karakteristiknya apa? Use simple present tense dan use simple past tense. Present tense untuk menceritakan kejadian yang terjadi sekarang, past tense kalau kalian menceritakan kejadian yang sudah terjadi atau masa lampau. Contohnya seperti ini yang tadi surat Aurora, you are fine, itu present tense. Dan yang blue bold itu celebrated karena sudah terjadi, sekolah melaksanakan anniversary ke-48. Jadi ada berikutnya adalah personal letter. Social function atau fungsi sosial dari personal letter adalah to share information to friends or relative. Jadi untuk menceritakan informasi, membagikan informasi kepada teman atau saudara. Structure text-nya itu tadi yang sudah saya perhatikan, ada sender, ada date, recipient name, address, and ada body opening, content, closure, closing remarks, sender, and signature. Ringkasannya or summary-nya, personal letter is a letter which is used in informal context. Jadi singkatannya, personal letter itu digunakan pada saat konteks yang informal, biasanya dengan seseorang yang kamu tahu. Oke, thank you. Semoga sudah semuanya ya. Nanti kita lanjutkan the next material tentang personal letter. If you have question, you can ask in the comment, and thank you for taking the attention with me. See you.